Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van has been converted by a company called Avalon into a 4-berth camper van. This van is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the camper van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. To the lower part of the bumper, you will notice a high gloss black front splitter. In the centre grille, you will notice 2 nice chrome strips. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 20-inch high gloss black wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. On both sides of the vehicle, you will notice black styling bars. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This would be a great advantage for the van being left on a busy road or for cold winter months. To this side of the van, you will notice a sliding door and also rear privacy glass windows. As we look into the back of the van, you will notice a table that can be removed. It's also fitted with 2 rear passenger seats that turn into a bed. I've now removed the table so you can see the fridge and fridge freezer. As you can see, it's hardly been used. Here we have some handy storage in the front door. Moving away from the fridge, you will notice a 2-hob gas burner and a sink made by Dometic. Here we have the electric point inside the kitchen area. As we look around, you will notice some handy storage compartments above and down here. I've now readjusted the rear seats so I can show you the lower floor double bed. To the back of the van, you will notice a tailgate with a rear window. Here we have a Sportline rear roof spoiler painted in body colour. As we move across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. This transporter is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear tailgate. As you can see, there's plenty of space to the back of the transporter. You can adjust this rear section so you can add more space. Here we have the fuse box with some handy storage. You can also gain more space by opening the manual pop-up roof and pushing up the roof double bed. Next, I would like to show you the roof upper bed. As you can see, there's plenty of space. This vehicle is painted in Ravenna Blue, which is a metallic paint. Here we have the hookup point. Here we have a side opening window. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This camper van is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in fabric cloth. The driver's seat also has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. The front seats are also swivel seats. I've now finished my 360 walk around the vehicle. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, we notice mirror, electric window switches. Down here, you will see the automatic headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This vehicle has covered 2,216 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has a feature called App Connect, which will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. This van is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. Here we have the 6-speed fan motor switch. Here we have the direction of the heat switch if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van has been converted by a company called Avalon into a 4-berth camper van. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate camper van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When in contact with a salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.